Okay, so just as another option, I'm going to give you, if you go here and go to this app, it's an app on the App Store. It's called WordSwag, and I found out about this about a year ago. But it's really good. You can generate cool text, words, and quotes on your photos, but you can also use it to literally just type out like neat looking. It'll generate whatever you type in. It'll give you like a million different options of how it can make it look. So it looks really good. I use it a lot on coffee mugs, but it can also apply to your necklaces as well. So if you watch the video here, I don't know if you can hear what they're saying, but it'll show you. So make your own stylish quotes. You type it in, whatever you want, and then it'll, yeah, you just hit the button, and it'll change it to all these different ways to show it. And then you can rotate it, do whatever you want. It's really, really cool. Yeah, you can use it for, they use it for blog stuff and posts on groups or pages and whatever you want. But I use it for products because I think it works very, very well. So it's a good one. It is, I think it's free, and if you want to like get more features, then you basically have to pay for it. But yeah, it's free. So it's on iOS and Android. So it's on the App Store and Google Play. And there's a bunch of samples, and I love it. It works really, really well. So just an option for you. It won't do it in like the circular stuff that I showed you in the Photoshop video, but it's a variety is the spice of life, right? So go ahead and get that on your phone or on your Mac or on your Android and go ahead and play with it. What I do is I create it on my phone because I have a PC for my desktop, and then I just email it to myself, and then I do all the editing or whatever editing I have, like resizing. I'll do it on my desktop. Okay? Makes sense? Just another option.